Hi everyone, my name is Google and today I'm going to show you how to change the size of your desktop icons on Windows 11. So let's get started. There are three ways you can do this. The first method is by using the desktop context menu. When you're on the desktop, just right click anywhere that's empty. Then hover over the view option. You will see three choices: large icons, medium icons and small icons. Then click on the size you like best. The second method is by using the control key and the scroll wheel on your mouse. You can change the size of the icons by pressing and holding the control key and then scrolling up or down with the scroll wheel on your mouse. Scrolling up will make the icons bigger and scrolling down will make them smaller. The third method is by using keyboard shortcuts. By simultaneously pressing Ctrl, Shift and a specific number key, you can adjust the icon size to your liking. Pressing Ctrl, Shift and the number 4 key together will result in the smallest icon size, while pressing Ctrl, Shift and the number 3 key together will give you the medium icon size. For a larger icon size, press Ctrl, Shift and the number 2 key together. And for extremely large icons, press Ctrl, Shift and the number 1 key together.